It is another rolling outage day again at the Smiths, where everything in Tom and Jane's life comes to a stop, and all goes dark suddenly.
Oh crap! The cake!
Jane's birthday surprise is not going quite as planned because Tom missed the notification again.
Oh, come on, I've got to stop missing those notifications all the time.
But what if Tom had an Anker Solix F3800Plus in the event of a power outage? F3800Plus will quickly power the whole house. The backup power supply is switched over instantly, so you won't even notice a power outage at all.
We got the power. We're getting louder.
You can also double up its power to keep life going smoothly, even if the outage happens frequently. Get the Anker Solix F3800Plus to live free from disruptions during rolling outages.
Anker Solix. Live in power.